This is one great benefit of using something like this, a 4x360 laser. You have a bottom line here with our micro adjusting table below it. I really can't stress this enough. I really like this Milwaukee 12-volt sausage gun. And here we are. Full bathroom remodel in a small little beach city here. Let's show you what we're tearing out today. And I believe this is going to be a Subway ceramic shower conversion from a tub to a walk-in. So we're doing a Laticrete system. Kind of ball, I see. I see. We'll play with you in the back sometime this week, bud. All right, so here we are. We are going to replace the floor, tile floor, all in one vanity. Here is our shell of a shower. You've got a two-piece tub, surround, acrylic, tearing this out quickly. And again, like I said, converting a tub to a walk-in shower via Laticrete Hydroban system. Here we go. All right, here we are, got everything loaded up, all packed up. Have our deck mud for our dry pack. We have our Tri-Lite by Laticrete thin set. All of our sheets of Hydroban board and 5 sticks of Schluter Jolly Matte Black. What we're gonna do is get some board up, get the dry pack in with our Flow FX drain body. Here we go. All right, guys, have everything set up right here under the cardboard to protect, obviously, the backyard. Our auger bit for our dry pack mortar bed. Our double bucket method so that we can mix a lot more than a single bucket. Mixing up some thinny right now. We're gonna trowel on some thinny before we drop down our dry pack, and we are using Tri-Lite by Laticrete for this entire build. Installing our Flow FX drain body and this really nice matte black grate that they offer, which replicates our Schluter Jolly, as you can see there. Flow FX, great company, made in the USA. Highly recommended. All right, moving right along. Demo was very easy. Relocated our drain to center, plumbed our new mixing valve. What we're gonna do is super simple to finish off the day. Install 1 row of our Hydroban board. On the back wall, left and right, install our foam curb, as well as our Flow FX drain body, and drop down some dry pack for the mortar bed. We want to install the mortar bed so that tomorrow when we come in, the mortar bed is dry and cure. We can pull our measurements to find out where we want to frame our niche. We will have to relocate this vent pipe as well. So let's get to work, guys. Here we go. Here we are cutting our Laticrete curb. You can use a skill saw, which makes it go very fast, but cutting this foam with something like this makes a big mess. A slower but cleaner alternative, utility knife like this. A quick wet shim to solve our out of plumb issue. Now we have a plumb board on this right wall. Let's install our dry pack. mixing up some dry pack with my auger bit. And using the double bucket method helps tremendously. You can also mix up a lot more. This is one great benefit of using something like this, a 4x360 laser. You have a bottom line here with our micro adjusting table below it to adjust to a proper slope and pitch, 1/4 inch per foot. And using a laser makes it much easier to pack down and make level your perimeter of your dry pack. Okay, here we are, guys. It's now time to finalize our waterproofing. Our dry pack is dry, cured. We have our pan tile here. Pulled our proper measurements so that we have full tiles at the bottom of our niche. We're gonna cut out this here, frame the niche, a full tile behind it, and a full tile above it. It's going to be a very nice, clean, high gloss white porcelain shower with a matte black finish. Black on white, it's gonna look fantastic. So let's cut this out. Here we go. Alright guys, our right wall here is all shimmed out, so it is the following day. It's time to screw it off and waterproof. I really can't stress this enough. I really like this Milwaukee 12-volt sausage gun. Super light. I've charged the battery one time. We have used it for over 10 showers, and I've got 3 bars left, so it holds a good charge. Speeds up time. Time is money. Milwaukee, highly recommended. Glue the back, screw the perimeter. Left, right, up, down. All right, we're going to wet shim the other portion of this wall. All right guys, the shower is all prepped, waterproofed, ready to go. We want to conduct a flood test to make sure that our shower pan will hold water. 24-hour flood test. So we will pour approximately 7 to 8 gallons of water in here and wait until tomorrow.